guys, we are here at Disney for a very special day. It's the day before Lexi's birthday. The day the video comes out, it will be Lexi's birthday, and she wanted to come to the Magic Kingdom. So, let's ride away and have some fun. All right, guys, so we have arrived at the Magic Kingdom in one piece, thankfully. It was scary. So the ferry boat just like bumped?
Crashed.
Okay, it didn't crash. I feel like that's not the safe way to say it. We like completely.
What only broke that fault was that long ledge that lets you get onto.
Yeah.
It was crashed basically. Okay, I have a bruise on the top of my belly button.
I will say it's a cool experience. I've never had that happen to me before.
That's why we ride the monorail, y'all. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I take the monorail when you come here.
Anyways, we're about to tap in.
Tap in.
What's that song?
Tap in. I don't know. If you guys didn't know, it is the 100th anniversary of Walt Disney, and as you can see ahead of me, we have the Cinderella's castle without the 50th stuff. So the 50th celebration is over and done with. We can throw it out the window. It's time for the 100th. And we are on our way to Tron. So let's go do it. I also feel like right now as we're walking to Tron is the best time to say this. It is virtual line only or virtual queue only. Now they drop at 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. So it's super easy to get, but it also can be kind of difficult. You just have to go online and get your boarding group ready beforehand. And then you're gonna go in, and right when the clock says either 6:59 or 12:59, just hit refresh, and then you'll be good to go into the grid.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to games.
That's always such a cool thing, like getting digitized. Like, it looks awesome. You just see the ride vehicle come in, and it looks super cool. We're not gonna wait for it, but it looks awesome. I know you can't see me that well right now, but this is one of my favorite things. It's such a simple queue, but it's so cool. Like, we're gonna put you guys in the locker, and then we'll go on from there. You've now done Tron twice.
It's still mid.
Still mid?
Yeah.
Nothing's changed?
It's still mid. It's still mid.
Really?
Guardians is better.
Guardians is a better attraction.
So exactly.
This just has the launch.
That's all
But
it has.
I still like the indoor portion though. It's really nice.
Sure, if you want to.
Maybe it has nice merchandise. We just walked in here. It's a jacket. I wonder if it like does LED kind of thing.
It's kind of like that. So I kind of model.
Yeah. I mean, it's weird. I don't want to have my shoulders out, but it's cool. Also, you can get yourself a nice little Tron identity disc. It has a speaker in it. So you're basically buying a portable speaker. That's not bad. You see, that's a 2-in-1. I'd get something like that. Also, right here we have a limited edition pin, limit to 1,000. And not to get confused with the one that's right next to it, which I'll show you right now. But yeah, some 2 cool pins right here. Pretty nice. And then also here we have a Tron Lightcycle Run Magic Band Plus, which is really cool. I like the whole box they have for it because a lot of the Magic Band Pluses don't have like a way to store it. So this is really cool. Nice. And it works with Alexa. Did you know that Magic Band Pluses work with Alexa?
Because you're playing my Alexa in my living room.
Exactly. See, I like this shirt a little bit better, but it is the pass holder shirt, which I could get, but I don't know. I'll pass. Didn't leave that big of an impact on me. But now it's time to get out of the store and go to the Haunted Mansion.
Sorry, his best friend just sent me a funny message. So
What?
Your best friend, Genesis.
What a nice lady. We love Genesis. Shout out Genesis. I was saying it's time for us to go do the Haunted Mansion. Because someone loves the Haunted Mansion.
You do.
Ah, yes. Time for the best attraction in the park. And that's a statement not to be questioned.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
All right, so we just got off of Haunted Mansion, right? And we got stuck on the best spot possible, okay? Do you know at the end of the ride when Constance Hatchaway is just there saying, hurry back, hurry, yeah, right there. And I swear, I don't know if it was me going psycho or something. Okay, yeah, because the audio got louder and then it got quiet, but it's all good going that way. We're going to go do Pirates of the Caribbean now because we got to go from dead people to dead
I think it's what the
men.
banana smell again, right?
Yeah, it wasn't. We didn't smell it last time.
Yeah, so
The banana rum.
fingers crossed.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lover! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Lost in platonic juicy rat. Over here.
We just got off of Pirates of the Caribbean. Always a fun ride, can't go wrong. We got the smell. The smell was bad. There's bubbles. We love bubbles. I feel like there's always bubbles when we're walking this way. But anyways, right now we're gonna go look at Tiana's Bayou adventure and give you guys a little construction update. So it's kind of. Oh gosh. So here's just a look at it. Just us walking up to it now. You can see a lot has changed already. A lot of scaffolding around the mountain itself. Man, that's crazy. Like, it's one of those staples that needed to go eventually, but you never expected it to go. And it's like, so different. Can't wait for this to open. I believe it's next year. And they are fast tracking this, man. They're trying to make sure they get done with this as soon as possible. So, it should be 2024. All right, and as you can see, we're right now in front of it, as you can tell by the castle. If I turn around now, you guys can hear some of the work potentially. We hear it from here, so we know they're going hard in there. But this is where the drop is. So like right there, just so you guys can see, like they took off the top tree stump that was up here. So cool, it's a difference. I literally can't wait to see what this is gonna look like when it's all said and done, because it already looks different, even though it's still similar. It already is giving that different vibe. We know that water tower is gonna be somewhere over here in this vicinity, so I can't wait to see it. And here's a look at the entrance of where Splash Mountain was. And right here you can actually see some of the workers, I'll zoom in a little bit, working on the mountain. Kind of cool getting that welding. Watch that welding. Thank you, Siri. Thank you. But yeah, getting that work in. Keep it up. Thumbs up for y'all. I'm super zoomed in, so thumbs up. Alright guys, we just got off of the Jungle Cruise.
So sarcastic.
Our skipper was great. He was hilarious. Skipper Ryan.
He was, I mean, if I was me, but
Yeah, I mean, that's the
he had
point.
a sense of humor.
Exactly. A lot of people didn't have a sense of humor on that like ride at all, like
Yeah,
on our boat.
that was
But
fun.
we did. We were in the back just dying the
He
whole
mentioned
time.
the time that the boat sank that one time, so that was
Right at the beginning too. So,
anyways.
but yeah,
Anyways.
not sure what we're gonna do now. You'll see in the next clip though, for sure. All right, guys, and we have gotten some egg rolls. I have the pastrami, and then Lexi got the cheeseburger. She loves them. I like these. Simple as that. We've also now decided to come into Starbucks because it is hot and we are thirsty. We need some drinks in us. Not alcoholic. It's too hot for alcohol.
That's why we're at Starbucks. Starbucks is not set all this.
That's what you think.
Right now.
Alright guys, so we got a Mickey cinnamon cinnamon roll. It smells delicious. I'll let you know how it tastes. Here's my strawberry acai refresher. And here's Lexi's green drink. That reminds me of the Grinch every time I see it.
No, iced matcha with vanilla sweet cream cold foam.
So what just happened?
Oh, I guess they put 2 orders in of cinnamon rolls. So when we heard that, we're like, hey, we already got ours. I'm like, oh, you want another one? So we got 2.
I was like, sure, because she said they were basically going to throw it away kind of thing. So
like, once it's already out, like,
yeah.
that's it.
So now we both have our own. So shout out to you. I wish I would have got your name, but shout out to the person that made my drink and the person that got us these. So thank you. How rude of me. I just realized I haven't given you guys a nice shot of the castle. There it is. Also, Lexi finally got her buttons. She's putting it on right now. Little behind the scenes of a wardrobe. Ooh.
Wants to go under.
There we go. Everyone say congratulations to Lexi because she's graduating college. Give her a little congratulations. And I already said it earlier, but it's also her birthday. So happy birthday. And congratulations. So yeah, now it's time to go fly.
With Peter Pan?
With Peter Pan. On our way to Peter Pan, over here, the moat is currently being worked on. Just thought I should point out. Cool. To Peter Pan we go. Alright, we just got off of Peter Pan's flight, and here's my little rant. I'll never understand why this was such a long line. Like, I get it, the capacity for it isn't, it's over in 5 seconds. I've watched TikToks longer than it. And don't get me wrong, it's a cute ride, it's a cute concept. It's a good dark ride, I like dark rides. But I don't understand the extremely long wait for it. I'd rather do It's a Small World. I don't like It's a Small World.
Earlier it was 65.
Yeah. It's alright. We're gonna do something way more enjoyable now. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that's a wrap here from Magic Kingdom. We are going to park up now and hope this rain up here does not get us. Because it looks like it's coming down. It's gonna come down hard. But we're gonna park up and go to Hollywood Studios. Our friends are over there. We haven't seen our friend's baby ever. It's gonna be the first time I see our friend's kid. Anakin. So very excited. I'm not gonna show him unless they say I'm allowed to. But let's park up. I'm not gonna put my hand on the camera. That's weird. That's some weird stuff. I wouldn't do that. And now it's raining. We said it was gonna rain. Well, they know we were coming to Hollywood Studios. Yeah, it is. It is not raining. We're here. We actually sat in the car for about an hour.
Yeah, charge your phone.
Yeah, charge our phones up because my phone's on 30%.
And it started raining, so.
And then it started raining. So we love to see it. But now we're gonna get in here and have some fun. So, yay me. Us. Yay us. Now, one of my favorite things about coming to a theme park when it's raining, dude, everyone's leaving and you're coming in. So nice, so relaxing. Don't really have to worry about much. The wait times will start dropping. However, the one downside is most of the outdoor attractions will go down. Therefore, the other attractions will have longer waits. But if you wait it out just long enough, you'll be lucky enough to get some good waits. Good, short waits. All right, so we just got off of Tower of Terror. There's our friends Louis, Beatrice, and everyone else. We had a good time.
Yeah,
right?
It was a lot of fun.
I got flung out of my seat. I'm always flung out of my seat, so it's kind of scary, but always a fun time.
It's always a good time. My favorite, as you guys know.
All right, guys, we are at Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy, and we have a special guest right here.
Anakin.
We have Anakin. Annie. Hello. Annie.
No, he's too excited.
He's too excited for this. But yeah, Louis is here. Beatrice is here. This is their beautiful child. So, making his YouTube debut. Look at him go. Let's go. But yeah, we're going to enjoy Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. This is such a fun show if you've never done it. So, trust me, come and enjoy it.
All right, so let's start with the practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Now, when you're racing, you want to keep an eye on your tire pressure, oil level, and fuel.
Exactly. As you get started, get used to the speed for a moment and pick a line and stick to it. Uh-oh, congestion ahead. What should we do, Cruz?
Imagine a stampede and hit the window.
Just like smoky tires.
Get a little dragger dip.
What was that? I didn't press nothing.
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Sorry, rookies. I don't know how that happened.
Wait, the simulator was corrupted. I'm rebooting it now.
Got it. Okay. Now, it's...
All right, bro, look at Louis.
Steve Wilkos. R.I.P. Jerry Springer, man.
R.I.P. Jerry Springer. So we just finished the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy. And over here we have Rock and Roller Coaster featuring Aerosmith for now. It's currently down. They're refurbishing it. Who knows what's going to happen. I miss it too. It's such a good attraction. Like, I don't know what's going to happen with it. No idea. But the crazy thing is they dropped a bunch of merch for it. Like, they have a lounge fly and everything.
That lounge fly is
it's fire.
amazing.
Speaking about fire lounge flies, look at this one right here. Louis just picked it up. It's beautiful.
Yeah, glows in the dark.
Glows in the dark. I think right now we're going towards Toy Story Land, right?
Yeah.
All right.
For the kids.
For the kids.
And a little bit of us.
And us. It's for us. We are the kids for now. All right, guys. So just today, there's some news that have been announced. So the Sully meet and greet will be going away, and we are going to have the brand new live-action Ariel is actually going to be the meet and greet character right in here very soon. So Anakin has just been flinging these glasses the whole time. Knocked his dad out like 3 times. Knocked me like twice.
My face, man. Bloody nose.
Bloody nose. But now we're gonna out here. We're not gonna be competitive.
I'm not even gonna try.
I'm just gonna have fun.
I'm gonna enjoy the ride. I'm not gonna try. Like I can't. Anakin's gonna beat you.
We love Toy Story. I'll let you guys know what we get at the end. All right, let's see how we did. That's Lexi. That's me. Let's go. I'm proud of you. High five. Woo! All right, guys, and we are now in the parking lot. We just dropped off the babies. Well, Anakin.
Yeah, well, there was 4 kids.
There was 4 kids altogether. I just didn't. I know everyone from when I was younger, but long story short, we had a lot of fun today. Yeah. We went from magic to here, did a lot of things, carried children, so my arms are tired. I'm not used to carrying kids, but I've been doing it a lot recently because a lot of my like childhood friends have all had babies, so we can wait.
Oh yeah.
But
still had to prepare for the wedding.
Yeah, we have our wedding and everything to plan for, so it was a fun day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you made it this far, thank you. I deeply appreciate that.
Also, sorry if I was all over the place, but this is what a Lost TV is all about, okay? There's no, like, we don't keep it organized, right?
Yeah.
The best thing is spontaneous.
Yeah. Unscripted.
Unscripted. But thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate you guys. Again, do not forget to comment on what you guys want to see from us. Please let us know so we know we're always entertaining you guys. Thank you for always liking the videos and for commenting. It really helps us out, especially on Instagram. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram, you know.
Put it all down there.
Yes. Also, thank you guys for watching through this whole video. If you did, we love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great evening. Don't forget to subscribe.
And sex, my dudes. We'll get Anakin to say that one day.